Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to easily add a YouTube video into your blog post on WordPress. Let's head on over to your blog post in WordPress and get started. Okay, here we are. I have opened up a blog post that I want to add a video to, and all you need to do is go over to YouTube, find the video that you want to embed in your post, and grab the link that you see at the top here. So just copy that link, head back on over to your blog post, and now you just want to decide where to add your video. Make sure you are in the visual editor over here, that's this tab, and choose your video position. Let's say I want to add it after the second paragraph of this blog post. Make sure you're on a new line. Then all you need to do is paste in that link you copied from YouTube, and it will automatically generate this YouTube video window inside of your post. Once you've got that, all you have to do is press update or publish if you haven't already published your blog post, and that's it. Let's check that it worked. And there is the video, and it's really as simple as that. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please hit subscribe and be on the lookout for new videos coming your way really soon. Bye for now.